Hey there, YouTube. So I just wanted to make a video real quick on these Harbor Freight Braun LED work lights. They have high, low, then they have a little light on the end there. Uh, they bend, full 180 degrees, 90 degrees each way. It's got a magnet on the bottom, very strong magnet. They're great lights. I've had mine now for well over 3 years, both of these. And I'm making this video because I came across another guy on YouTube. I guess he's some type of a tool channel or possibly auto repair channel. I'm not sure. I forget the name. But his complaint was that these threads here are no good. And after removing the bottom a few times to change the batteries out, there's no threads left and the cap won't screw on. And these are the old ones. Like I said, I've had them for at least 3 years now. So we're talking about the same thing. There's nothing wrong with the threads on the cap or on here. Now, the reason he wanted these is he only wanted one, and he wanted to be able to have extra batteries because these are a regular 18650 battery cell. That way he could have a few extra batteries already charged up, just switch the batteries out instead of waiting a couple hours for the light to charge up through the USB. And after doing this a few times, several times, the threads were non-existent, he said, and you couldn't put the cap on. Well, I just want to say, these lights have been fantastic, no trouble whatsoever. These are the original batteries. I do have extra 18650s in the house because I thought about keeping extras too so I could swap them out if they run out of power. But there's nothing wrong with these threads. They're aluminum. All you have to do is keep them clean and just put a drop of light oil on there. That's it. Don't cross thread it. Of course, if you cross thread it, you're going to destroy the threads. But if you keep these threads clean and you just put a drop of oil on there, I don't know, maybe if you take the cap off 10 times, put another drop of oil on there, like 3-in-1 oil or something. Whatever you've got, motor oil, it doesn't matter. These threads don't mess up unless you cross thread them. So I just want to call BS on that. And I don't mind tearing apart a Harbor Freight tool if it's a piece of shit, but these are actually good. And, Astro makes one like this, but the Astro one doesn't bend and a lot of other stuff. This is a great tool, and if you find the coupons, they still go on sale for $25 if you get the coupons, and they're well worth it. But that's my take on it. I've had them now for over 3 years, and I've got no problems with them. The original batteries are still going. I mean, I use them all the time. So that's just my take. All right, guys. See, it's just like the aluminum threads of a mag light or anything else. I mean, if you get a bunch of shit in there and you tied it on there, yeah, you're going to destroy the threads. Or, if you don't lube them up, just put a little lube on there. You're good to go. All right, that's my take. Thanks for watching.